goal with this activity is to really work on your upper body pulling strength. Here's what you're going to do. You're going to have two cables set up in the high position, and you're going to get in half kneeling. For your half kneeling, you want to get a subtle tuck of the hips, not squeezing the cheeks, nothing fancy like that. Subtle hip tuck. Exhale. From here, what you're going to do is you're going to do alternating pull down. So you want to think about pulling your elbow down towards your hip, making sure the shoulder comes back, and then do the same thing on the other side, like so. Now, folks, you can't see it from this angle, but you might be able to from here. And from here, what I'm going to do is I'm pulling, as I'm side bending the trunk a little bit with each thing, not having my head go with, I'm keeping my head straight on, and so as I pull the rope down, I'm going to side bend the trunk a little bit. And that's how it's done. Give it a shot.